This, I'm just going to go into a project I'd already set up. Alright, so I'm going to grab this. Okay, so we're going to go to make it. So, see, it's there. Hit continue. Oh, I've got to turn my Bluetooth on. Hold on. Alright, so got your Cricut. I'm going to connect to it. Alright, so here you have your set material. It's got these right here that are just the popular ones, obviously. It says popular. Go into all material, and you can pick whatever material that you have. So you're asking for cardstock, so there's cardstock. Or if you don't see offhand what you want right there, see, like with photo paper, I did photo paper, and then you click on that, and then your pressure, click on more. Or if you're doing cardstock, okay, cardstock, click on more for your pressure, and then continue with your cut. Hope this helps.